Hey guys, so in this video we'll see where you can check the conversation logs of your agent. So let's go ahead and select an agent. Right here in the top corner you can see Convo logs and you'll see a full list of all the conversations that your agent has had. Now you'll get details such as call ID, call date and time, whether it was a web call, phone call, chat, the duration, average latencies, status. All right, so let's go ahead and check some extra details about each call. So once you open this up, you can get an overview and you can see we'll go through all the tabs that are there. You get the agent, the call ID, the model that's used, the voice that's used, additional details. You can even go ahead and play the call uh, like
Hi,
so.
this is Megan from Full House Furniture. Can I get your first name? Hi.
Yeah, this is John Doe. I wanted to know what's the update on where my order is.
Awesome, and you can even download the audio. Then you can go down to input variables. You even have the full transcript. We have a feature where within the agent settings you can switch on P2 or PCI redaction. So things such as John Doe or any sort of sensitive information about your customers is hidden from the transcript. Then you have events. This goes a bit more granular than the transcript. So for example, you're doing some API tool calling right within the agent. Those will come up here in between the transcripts. Right now, the only tool call there is the end call, which shows up a success. So the API calls that you use within your agent will show up here. And then we can go into metrics. Now, these are disposition metrics. These basically give you qualitative and quantitative data on how your call went. Maybe you don't want to go ahead and see the full transcript, right? And figure out whether the agent performed its tasks. So you can add those disposition metrics and check whether or not your agent performed well. Right now, I only have two disposition metrics, one being escalation needed. Then another disposition metric that I've put in is the delivery date. That is what delivery date has the agent provided to the customer. And finally, we have the turn latencies. And so that's our conversation log feature where you can see all the details about your agent and the calls that they've been a part of. I'll see you guys in the next one.